Lexus, I don't ride her. Bad yellow bitch, passenger Lexus, she's a rider. She is down the road with me and she gon' hold my Glock up. If she see.
Hey YouTube, long time no see, I know, but I'm back. I'm gonna try to start doing videos again because I really missed it, but I just didn't have time. That's why I stopped. Like, I honestly have a really busy life and it's just really hard, especially because I do cheer and stuff. But I'm back, and today I'm gonna do a video using some new makeup things I got. A few of them were gifts from my friends for Christmas, which Merry Christmas everyone. And mostly I got new makeup brushes, I got a new beauty sponge, palettes and everything, and I'm just gonna use them today and see how they work, and hope you enjoy the video. I'll start with doing my eyebrows, but I just got this new ColourPop eyebrow pomade. It came in this little box, but I didn't get this as a gift. I just got it because I needed a new eyebrow pomade. So this part I'm not really going to show because it's not that important. Excuse the mess in the background because that's not my stuff, that's my sister's stuff. So that has nothing to do with my clean side over here. Okay, so the concealer that I use is the ColourPop one. ColourPop is just so good, honestly. I think it's my favorite makeup brand. But I'm going to use one of my new brushes that my friends got me. It's very pretty. Don't know where it's from, but it's a flat brush. I'm pretty sure, you know, eyeshadow type brush. But I'm just going to use it to clean up my brows, and hopefully it works well. I really like this brush. It's very precise, so I gotta be careful, but I really like it. Okay, so my eyebrows, I don't really like them, but it wasn't the brushes, it was just my freaking technique. The brush that I used was really good. I really liked it, but the brush I'm using to blend out this concealer I already had, so it doesn't really count, but it's okay because I'm gonna be doing my whole face. So mostly all of these brushes should be being used. My eyelids, and use a new sponge that my friend got me and see if it works well. It feels pretty soft right here. It feels pretty soft, so I'm just gonna see. That looks pretty good to me. It's pretty well blended to me, so I think it's a 10 out of 10. It's a little hard on my face, but I mean, I feel like a lot of sponges are like that. You have to press lightly and not like pound, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I got these palettes from my sister recently. They're the NYX Avant Pop palettes. Avant Pop palettes. And I'm just gonna use these for my eyes, but I'm gonna use my friend's new brushes they got me. So the first one is this one. I'm gonna use it in my crease. I think I'm gonna use, I was actually gonna use this orange, but I think I'm gonna go for this green. This green? Yeah, I'm gonna go for the green. I decided I'm just gonna take my shiny palette. I'm just gonna use the green in here. This one. Yeah, hopefully, I'm pretty sure this green is okay. I don't really remember. I haven't used it in a while, but yeah. So now I'm just gonna take this lighter green here. It's shimmery, but honestly, I don't think it really matters. Anyways, I'm just gonna put this lighter green a little bit higher. I guess this could kind of be like a Christmas look, you know what I'm saying? Because green is a Christmas color, right? Yes, I think it is. I haven't even been doing a lot of eyeshadow, which is crazy because that's my favorite part of makeup. But I guess, like, I don't know. I just have so much going on all the time. Like, yeah. But I don't know if you can see that. Get a little closer. Can you see that? Maybe I should have zoomed in. And this is the Eco Tools brush that my friend got me. Okay, so I'm going to use this black, which I know, risky. But it's okay because I'm gonna cut this crease anyway. So I'm just gonna use this little shimmery black in here. It's not really shimmery, but it's like shimmer in the palette, but it doesn't come out shimmery, so yeah. I'm Just gonna use that to add some more depth in my crease before I cut it. Just to give a little shadow, you know what I mean? You know what I mean. Okay, so I ended up zooming in. I know it's pretty close, but focus. But it's okay. I'm gonna use the same brush. And I know my voice sounds crazy. I don't know why it sounds like that, because I don't feel sick, but you never know, I guess. So that's that, and give me 1 second. So I actually don't have a red, like a real red. So I'm gonna use these two. This is pretty red right here. So I'm gonna use these two as my red. I don't know if you can tell, but I tried to leave this line in between because I'm actually gonna put something else there. But yeah, the red actually doesn't look bad in my opinion. So I didn't know that my friend also got me this angle brush, so I'm just gonna use that right now to put some white glitter on that line that I left right there. So I'm gonna take this glitter primer. It's from the beauty supply store. I don't know what brand it is. Absolute New York. Some bootleg stuff. I'm just gonna take some of this glitter primer. Put the glitter in, and now I think that I don't know what to do next. Got me these new eyelashes and lash glue. So I'm gonna put these on, but first, ouch, to open the package. I should change my mind. I think I want to draw some snowflakes. Cute, I know. Tiny brush I already had and a really light concealer that's gonna look white on me. And I'm just gonna start drawing these snowflakes. My brush just freaking slid in. Like, what? No. Just give me a second. I have another one. I hope this one doesn't do that. Like, I don't know what type of weird stuff just freaking happening. I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna do this one side, and those are my snowflakes. Now I'm gonna put on the lashes. Okay, I actually added a few more snowflakes and a little bit of snow, but now for real, we're doing lashes. So I have on my lashes, and I like my eyes a lot. I think they're pretty good. I just started yelling. But now I'm just gonna put on some concealer first, like as concealer. And I'm gonna put on my foundation too, like at the same time, because like, what's the difference if I wait and now? So I'm gonna use the Fit Me foundation. It's right here at the top. Perfect. So I'm gonna take this new brush that I got from my friend to put the foundation on. I've always wanted a brush like this. Makes it a little bit easier, to be honest. Makes your face look less messy. So first I'm gonna try using my friend sponge to do my concealer, because pretty close up here. It was here longer. And now I'm gonna use the brush. Which one? I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna try to use this one to blend my foundation in. it's working. It looks pretty good to me. This brush is just really soft. I'm pretty sure it's for powder, but it's okay. So now I'm just gonna take this powder. Oh, it's flying. I'm gonna use this brush. I mean, why not? I use this brush to try to put the powder into my eyes. I guess I should use a sponge actually, shouldn't I? I'm gonna use the brush for my nose and my chin. And then I'm gonna use the sponge for under my eyes. Yeah, it's much better. Oh, this is really good for packing the powder on. And I'm gonna use this other new brush for my friend. These brushes are just so gorgeous. I can't even deal. And I'm gonna start wiping away the powder. Yes, I left it on for 10 seconds. I'm gonna start wiping it away. I'm gonna use this angle brush and this e.l.f. bronzer that my sister gave me. I think it's bronzer, whatever. That's what I use it for. And I'm just gonna bronze my face up. I like it because it looks like naturally, it's not too dark. I'm put that almost everywhere, honestly. And now I'm just gonna use this old raggedy blush that I've had for like 20 years with another fluffy brush from that set. And I'm gonna blush my face so I look alive. It's this highlight. It's from xoxo, and my sister gave it to me. And I'm not gonna use this brush for my whole face, but I'm gonna use it for my brow bone and my inner corner. Okay, one brow bone like this. I'm gonna use it on my nose. My chin. Don't have too much. And now I'm just gonna take this brush that I just started recently using for my high, and I like it a lot. So I spray it with water and then put it on. I forgot I need to put something on my under eye, so I'm going to take this green from the Avant Pop palette, and I'm just going to put it underneath. And then I'm just going to take some mascara because, yeah, kind of need it for your bottom lashes. For a holiday look, I probably need to do some color on my lips. So I'm actually going to use this red that I have. Or should I? No, I'm not actually. Came with this cute little shimmery lip gloss, and I just broke it. I'm just going to put this on. Wow, look at this lip gloss. I'm actually gonna curl my hair and then I'll come back. I'm back. I did my hair. Honestly, I don't like it that much, but it's gonna stay on. I don't really care, whatever. I'm just gonna spray my face and fan it. And that'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the look, and I'll be back soon with more.
How much money can I make on vacation? Walk up in the party.